Hello and welcome to my channel. Today is Friday, last day where the stock market and the dollar and forex is open. So last day for some correlation, but on weekend we can have some unexpected moves. I don't usually trade the weekend, but it's nice. It's following the technical analysis even more accurately on weekend sometimes. But you don't get the correlation and you don't get the volume. Speaking about correlation, stock market is breaking the highs, dollar is breaking the lows, and Bitcoin is kind of took a tumble to the downside, struggling to move. So let's see what we can have, what we can prepare for today. First we'll recap what happened yesterday and then prepare some setups. So looking at the weekly candle, it has a nice wick. It shows that people bought that dip basically. Kind of bullish. Useless information for us, but this wick is nice to have. If we close it much lower, then we can have a situation like right here probably, but it got a nice bounce anyway. Yeah, so wick is good basically. If we close it much lower, then probably it's reversing. But now it's showing a bounce. Let's go to daily time frame. Daily looks like crazy. Look. Last time we got a pump and then a big dump. What's right here? In 2 days. And it went straight down after that. We got 1 day consolidation on Saturday, another day consolidation on Sunday, but it's taking the lows. So we need to be prepared for that. This time it got some wick, but it's so small and the candle looks so bearish. I would probably be leaning that this move is going down, but this is not the only information that I have. What else do I have? I have this bad high, which wasn't taken out, and if you compare it to this, the high was taken out, so it's not exactly the same. We have shorts still in the market that are not flushed. What we have here with these big massive moves, 7% up, 7% down, this is just a shakeout. Where the shakeout is gonna end up, I'm not sure. Could go down, could go up, but this high I really don't like. Feels like we are just preparing some more shorts, getting more shorts in the market before a nice big squeeze up. But let's not talk about big moves, because we got a big move Wednesday and Thursday, so let's chill a bit now. Let's get some consolidation. Let's see my TA. Yesterday I was projecting a full rotation to the downside, because breakout is never the most probable option. What we got here, people are longing, this is bull flag and so on and so on. It could end up breaking out. It was a nice bull flag, but you know, it is what it is. Full rotation down, we keep ranging, and I'm happy with that. Basically, we didn't build any support here. This fast move especially, there is no support. It was so easy to get this back here to 36,500. It was so easy. After that, on Wednesday, this was fueled by longs opening. Usually, price doesn't break out like that when people open longs. People need to be bearish for price to break out. So we went all the way down to basically 4-hour order block, I think. Yeah, this is the support. And my axis that I projected, I said wait for a bottom to form. Let's say we go on 15-minute time frame. This is like low enough. Is this a good bottom? It could be if we start taking the highs. We didn't take any highs. We didn't change market structure. Look at this, not even 5-minute structure. It's not changing. I was waiting for some kind of W formation. It never happened. And then next what happened? we went all the way to the fresh daily, untapped, and the order block as well, which gave a really nice reaction. So do we trust this reaction? Are we going up? I don't think so. First of all, I don't like when a chart is standing on one leg, like here. Usually it doesn't end up well, but it did on Wednesday. So what do we know? We know that it happened recently. Maybe same players are still in the market. Maybe it's gonna happen again. But I can already say that this structure is much better than what we had on Friday. And why is that? Because we're going sideways. Let's check where is VWAP. We are playing around the VWAP. What happened Wednesday? We didn't even touch the VWAP. Straight up. Now we are consolidating. Someone is accumulating or distributing. I don't know which side it's gonna go, but they are preparing positions now. And we got really nice. Okay, so I can remove my axis. I didn't try to long this, and I didn't actually long this because it's just one leg. So I don't like one leg, but it could just go up. So where is resistance now? On the way down, we got this POC, which we are rejecting from. We got as well order block. POC and order block, they are usually in the same place. It's nothing special, but yeah, so where is another resistance? There is no more resistance. So my point is, we can go up so easily. This is basically long stops hitting and at the same time shorts getting in. Where do these shorts put stop? Now think about this. Where do you put a stop loss if you short here? Probably around here. If you short in this consolidation, probably around here. Maybe around weekly open. Let's say you short this consolidation, probably around here. So what do we know? We hit stops here, and stops here. This is basically 37k. I would expect all of them to get hit. So I will make my projection right now. Let's put it here. We're gonna hit all those stops, basically. That's what I'm thinking. Wait, wrong tool. I need Ray. So we're gonna hit all those. And since this is standing on one leg, we can also take out the leg. Where would we go? If we make a higher low, I would be happy with that. Like, it's not ideal, but higher low, do some kind of swing failure. This would be nice. We come back above daily open, and above daily open, that's where I start longing. Another place, these lows, they are still here. Nobody forgot about them. We can take them out. The order block I don't care about anymore. Daily level, it might be useful. And on top we have a new fresh daily, 37,897. But basically if we take out these highs, this is just gonna be like small retracement and then breakout. So from all this, what I can understand is that probably this is getting in shorts in the market for fuel, which would take us above the highs, and everyone who longed there, they got stopped out, shaken out. Weekly open is probably gonna give us a nice move up. Like, I was expecting a nice pump to the upside after weekly open here. Look at these wicks. There was a lot of longs, but it was stopped because people are not allowed to make money in this market. But we know how to make money in this market. So getting above weekly open, just keep in mind this place. This is where most stops are. Keep in mind, this can reject, but just for a retrace. At some point we're gonna take the high. Bearish scenario would be that we keep going down, but this is a nice place to long. Like I would take this long. If we get a reaction, how reaction looks like, it's basically price action or order flow. Price action is a W formation. Let's say we front run this zone, we make a swing failure first and then take the low again. This would be a long for me. Or if we go lower, I really don't want to lose this low, 34,500. So I'm actually expecting a bounce. This is like getting shorts in the market so they can squeeze them later. This is fuel that will give a nice pump. Yeah, so if we get an opportunity, this might be good long. Or like golden pocket here, but basically losing daily open, it doesn't matter what happens here. Once we come back up, I consider this is over. We tested the red side of the day. Now we're going up. This would be long. Either here or just reclaiming daily open. And yeah, so probably we get some nice moves on the weekend, or maybe even today. I wouldn't expect 3 days in a row massive move, but maybe it's gonna happen. Like this is something that we haven't seen for a while on Bitcoin, these kind of moves. Maybe we need to cool down, to chill a bit, to get more shorts in the market, so that we can get a nice squeeze up later. I don't know how long this is gonna take, but let's try to capitalize on this. So yeah, my bias is bullish. That's basically the conclusion. So have fun trading, and see you next week on Monday for another update.